In this Shayda short, we're talking the do's and don'ts of caring for your watercolor paintbrushes. Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Shayda. So using and caring for your watercolor brushes properly is a large part of the painting and watercolor process. And so today we're going to cover some do's and don'ts. The first one, don't drill into your paints. You're not trying to shovel pigment out of the pan. You want to treat your brushes with care even when you're mixing. So do gently scrub at the cake of paint. Scrub at the pigment with little care and bring it over to your palette for further mixing. Next up, definitely don't leave your brushes sitting in the glass of water. This is very hard on the bristles and will definitely cause them to bend. Do give the brush that you're no longer using a quick rinse in your mixing water and then just set it down on the paper towel to dry while you go on with your painting. Don't leave your brush to dry vertically when wet. That can cause water to seep down and the handle will separate from the top of the brush. Do set your brush horizontally while it dries, and then once it is dry, you can store vertically to prevent the bristles from bending. Here's a couple more tips that I like to adhere to. Use your watercolor brushes for watercolor and gouache only, so stick to one medium for each type of brush. Use your acrylic brushes just for acrylics, etc. Another tip, don't use any solvents or soaps to wash your brushes. Usually a little bit of water is plenty to get them nice and clean. Finally, as I mentioned, store your brushes upright to prevent bristles from bending and never put them in your backpack or purse. That's it for this Shayda short. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.